Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Bernoulli's differential equation. Bernoulli's differential equation. The differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q into y raised to n. Then divide on both sides by y raised to n. Divided by y raised to n on both sides. Therefore, we get y raised to minus n dy by dx plus p into y raised to 1 minus n is equals to q. Put y raised to 1 minus n is equals to t. Then differentiate with respect to x. We get 1 minus n y raised to minus n dy by dx using chain rule is equals to dt by dx. Transfer 1 minus n on the right side. Then y raised to minus n dy by dx is equals to 1 upon 1 minus n dt by dx. Substitute value of y raised to minus n dy by dx and y raised to 1 minus n in equation 1. Then 1 upon 1 minus n dt by dx plus p into t is equals to q. Then dt by dx plus 1 minus n p into t is equals to 1 minus n q. 1 minus n p and 1 minus n q are function of x variable or constant. Then find integrating factor and solve according to linear differential equation. Similarly, instead of dy by dx, there is dx upon dy plus px is equals to q into x raised to n. Then divide on both sides by divided by x raised to n on both sides, and then solve according to the case 1. For example, dy by dx is equal plus p plus y upon x is equals to y square. First, transfer y square on the left side by dividing y square on both sides. Divided by y square on both sides. Then we get y raised to minus 2 dy by dx plus y raised to minus 1 upon x is equals to 1. According to Bernoulli's differential equation, put y raised to minus 1 is equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Y raised to minus 2 minus y raised to minus 2 dy by dx is equals to dt by dx. Transfer minus sign on the right side. Y raised to minus 2 dy by dx is equals to minus dt by dx. Substitute value of y raised to minus 2 dy by dx and y raised to minus 1 in equation 1. We get minus dt by dx plus t upon x is equals to 1 multiplied on both sides by minus 1, multiplied by minus 1 on both sides. Dt by dx minus t upon x is equals to minus 1. Then the value of p, this equation is known as linear differential equation. Therefore, the value of p is minus 1 upon x and q is equals to minus 1. Then find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equals to e raised to integration p dx. Then integrating factor is equals to e raised to, substitute value of p, integration minus 1 upon x dx is equals to e raised to minus log x. Minus sign, according to power rule, minus sign goes to the power of x, e raised to log x raised to minus 1. Log anti-log get cancelled. We get x raised to minus 1. That is, integrating factor is equals to 1 upon x according to index formula. Then general solution according to linear differential equation. T into integrating factor is equals to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. The value of t is y raised to minus 1. Therefore, 1 upon y into integrating factor 1 upon x is equals to integration. The value of q is minus 1, minus sign outside. It is not necessary to write 1 into integrating factor 1 upon x dx plus c. Then 1 upon x into y is equals to minus log x plus c. Therefore, the final result is 1 upon x into y plus log x is equals to c is the general solution of the given differential equation. Next example, x into dy by dx plus y is equals to y square log x. According to Bernoulli's differential equation, divide on both sides by y square. Divide on both sides by x into y square. We get 1 upon y square dy by dx plus y upon x into y square is equals to log x divided by x. 1y get cancelled. Y raised to minus 2 dy by dx plus 1 upon x into y raised to minus 1 is equals to log x divided by x. Then put y raised to minus 1 is equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Y raised to minus 2 dy by dx is equals to dt by dx. Minus sign comes outside. Then minus sign transfer to the right side. Y raised to minus 2 dy by dx is equals to minus dt by dx. Substitute value of y raised to minus 2 dy by dx and y raised to minus 1 in equation 1. then minus dt by dx plus 1 upon x into t is equals to minus log x divided by x, plus, then multiplied on both sides by minus 1 on both sides, dt by dx plus 1 upon x into t is equals to minus log x divided by x is linear differential equation. Then p is equals to minus 1 upon x and q is equals to minus log x divided by x. Find integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to integration e raised to integration p dx. Substitute value of p e raised to integration minus 1 upon x dx is equals to e raised to minus log x is equals to e raised to log x bracket raised to minus 1. Log and log get cancelled. X raised to minus 1 is equals to 1 upon x. General solution t into integrating factor 1 upon x is equals to integration q minus log x divided by x into 1 upon x dx. Put log x is equals to v. Then 1 upon x dv आपलं dx 1 upon x dx is equals to dv. Then is equals to minus integration. From this substitution, the value of x is equals to e raised to v. Then log x is v divided by 1 upon x divided by e raised to v into dv. Transfer e raised to v in the numerator minus integration e raised to minus v into v dv. Using integration by part, minus into bracket LIATE u is equals to v and v is equals to e raised to minus v. Then differentiate u du by dv is equals to 1 and integration of v dv is equals to integration e raised to minus v dv is equals to minus e raised to minus v. Then according to integration by part formula, u means here v into integration e raised to minus v dv minus integration again integration e raised to minus v dv into dv by dv into dv. Substitute value of integration e raised to minus v dv is minus e raised to minus v minus into bracket v into bracket minus e raised to minus v minus integration minus e raised to minus v bracket complete dv is equals to minus plus v e raised to minus v minus plus again minus integration e raised to minus v dv. On the left side, t upon x is equals to v e raised to minus v minus into bracket minus e raised to minus v plus c. Substitute value of t and v. Substitute value of t and v. We get 1 upon y or y raised to minus 1 divided by x is equals to V is log x into e raised to minus log x minus minus plus e raised to minus log x plus c is equals to 1 upon x into y is equals to log x log e raised to minus log x is equals to 1 upon x 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus c is the final result of the given Bernoulli's differential equation. If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.